Mame Mao Akwaba Emfa Umbra Ghana Insem TVGH so wafre me adwoa searching.
One of mpenifo a ye greedy. Omudi the base denim Jaku. Obonya na me person boni de wa mo me ya.
Jaku.
Se se omne di animo.
Onye serious Jan. Alex Kofiadu.
Alex Kofiadu aka Jaku. Bedamo sebramo. Very greedy man. Yen try we are saying yes sir.
Sika Dr. Bomiano mo se ma we Jaku.
Election
2024.
Oka ho ono ka ho bi. Enene ohwe stars na atwe omuti wa Asante region for NDC na far better and they are many than NPP because Ajaku time or NPP ne boss.
Waje yes sika kura ba wo.
And now unim say and na ohwe sinitwafo a wo NDC mu e wa Asante region omo babonten a I was very shocked. And the likes of Afranenom Messi I see do
Afrane kura reso on
a friend say Vivian Jail no ono one dey say okopre feed school feed ni bi
ma ho fafo fu ya
wa you see ni mo wan ene even young upcoming bloggers ekra no mutimi modin and Asante region Ajako o jinema bebre boso and NPP co position o favorite amount o so quote the base where say we greedy.
Me Abeke Beneza, I was a member of Honorable Ghanian campaign in 2023 and 2026. I want to put it on record. 2023 presidential primaries and 2026 presidential primaries. I'm a key member.
Okay. 2024 and
2026, yeah, to about 31st January 2026. Now, Maumia win 2023.
Yeah.
I think media you need to be accurate on your information. So, I want to put it on record. Personal attack. I am not, and I will never denounce the new patriotic party and join the base. I Abeke Beneza, don't know if I'm a citizen Abeka One Love. I will never in my life denounce the new patriotic party and join the base movement.
I didn't.
And I mean, no, because what is our double Japan about guys who join NPP are joining the base. And I mean, look, I wouldn't say, I mean, no, because Siano, Endra, and Endrechi, Endra, yes. I'm going to interview the lawyer Kusi Kwati, the spokesperson for Honorable Japan. Right? Obiana not say, Honorable Japan has never and ever in his life come out to say, and I will put a statement so we join NPP are joining the base. And I mean, no, because Dr. Mahmoud Bamia, Asiano, Friday, we trim need back on Oceano Mudim Como. I'm a minute because Honorable Japan, no, my God. Because that man the 2026 presidential primaries are going or say or make sure so we put up a factory in all the 16 regions to be able to curb the unemployment rates in Ghana. Most especially within the NPP fraternity and Ghana as a whole. And see the best Honorable Kenyapo Nimunshi as a very close friend of Honorable Kenyapo, Mr. George Otibunsu no Watiniku. And I mean, Jinaka was MPP be about controlling the base. One, either you're a selfish person or a hypocrite person. That's what you're
MPP need be or join
because you are raised Americans or in Yachum. Because maybe you do this, Mr. Question is said, what is the mindset of the creation of the base? George Otibunsu was here a typical patron of the new patriotic party, an official patron of the new patriotic. Didn't they see? But never MPP. If mention MPP money, I will never and ever denounce MPP because money your money does that mean say or my money to the states asimiama adimako woman.
It was say any brave one join the base.
No when you brain I better join the base.
Hey, Abeka.
I'm not trying to undermine those people.
Yeah, but only any brave for.
Yes, because what about make us sound and yet any brave for per se, but the person in question Jojo Tibunsu, and then you know the reason what the base. Last week also, me one of my sister stations maybe, and I'm not one of the colleagues maybe. Okojina no KBB say, Honorable Kenyapo need the base is trying to block the presidential ambition of Dr. Mahmoud. What's your name is why should a media man, without you having any form of evidence, come out to make these false allegations? And in the first place, let me ask a question. What is Honorable Kenyapo Agachi Davis with NPP? What is the statement about Montiana? Who is behind the base movement? George Ochimunso. Who does say you're the base Ghana first? You're the base movement. Almost one of them is soon one.
Eja ko no mu de na.
About the politics, I have
So,
more bro,
question.
and they are using
So,
that to
sure
their
I'm saying
advantage. Mama, my mom, quite. And Crophobia Behuni say, a ban of real politics here. The way Ghanaians even choose for leadership, they don't understand. It is minimum way, bra way, a baby, na mempa boate, or somame, papa way, you say. That is what we are doing with politics. There is no independent, there is no third force. You will win election in Ghana. NDC will forever be NDC, NPP will forever be NPP. What we, the citizens, have to worry about, then they say, no, why didn't Yama ba, Emma or mine you call ye? Now, yet to me, Bob, baby, I want ye, no woman ye. All of a sudden, Ghana for our binds don't work no more. What are we doing? Mr. America, America. We know how many political parties are in America. We know how many. Some of them cannot even win in their own state. Their own state crown to me winning. Or say bemu keke. Or be say bem or say bemu keke. E dia say wo da janka by papa bi to me dia brɛ. E na no ne ye sabi ye nam ho. Oh, MPP dia Alan. Oh, MPP dia Alan. Oh, Alan. Oh, Alan abane dia Asante vote ni dia ye ni kochem. Alan ni kochem. Yeni a yeni munyansa kakra ne ye che ya papa Alan tenas ne ka ten se daddy. Omo ye opien hopes na do ye no no ono. O se adwuma opeso ya ne se Director of Operations Presidency. Adenti a Lord come in yes cap and no so pesa position no. Ne de ano no. So many hopes na do ye. Now oye madam for back then. I can't call him a friend now. No, because ne niama why ne nkyere oye adamfo. Do you understand me? Hopes na do ye so ono. Or call Jubilee House who say Lord come odidi pa no ye Director of Operations. I will Jubilee House into the ono super say aban or the nebeba or this position in the no. If you listen to these people, they will push you and you will destroy your political career. First, so and then no man can change. Cash for the cash and job for the boys. Me boy. Cash. Now, when it mattered the most, and Crawford no mo a party mo fama Alan and Crawford penasem ya koyo ma to abeti ano. Yes, a party for na share you no problem. Yes, what the Alan buy ya beto abama mo yo yate. Alan kote no ho a and Crawford na se wo mo beto abama Alan no ya nto abama Alan no. Alan ekofa GTP 10-point agenda GTP say or betom pam de ashe Ghana. And I'm no say so we for Alan Tremantina nkasa ne director wan hopes na doye na ubisa to say o mo manifesto o mo de buy on kind 10-point agenda no emu mi ensa nkyere wa on kai onim. And na ye tuwe obi mama me say Alan Tremantina dia na no so e kwan be na no so be fa so e dia bi adwuma kan ma me ye ntumi nkan nkyere. Yankai. Yeah, Alan, chief, Alan, chief. Yeah, then Alan, Sam, I koto aba. Abranti ebisa wonu se ni Yehowa ebie nani. Na ne magic ya wanya no, epo na nyankopon nim na odi ogbo soro ne asase, onim de enti a wode epoto nkran. No onim de enti a wode lake 2 Kumase, no onim de enti a wode lake 2 Eastern region ne ade no. Abranti ani so onu ni nyansa ne se wenye scam abɔ ne dam enti oni nyame be ye pɛ wo be twepo e de afiri nkran e de akokuma ase epo aya twe afiri nkran de akokuma ase kura tumi nya vote tia lankyeremante 10 GTP no meboa lankyeremante nya 31,000 the whole country. You people don't even understand politics, so and that is why these politicians will keep doing this to us. Politicians say until the Ghanaian voter begins to open their eyes and their minds as to why they vote, they will be doing this to us all the time. Allah na near say NPP for now kwa NPP for be call o me free echi o NPP egu okoya abrantie bi a wo so no wo ba wi ase no ensenkyerene no ye friend na na bedi akon wo so wo be twepo wo be twepo ade afiri nkran ade akokuma ase wo da se ni gidi ye koto abaten alantremanten onya 84,000 over 13 million people going to vote. Alan Tremantin at 31,000. Anomabo, onwane mami krom olusi. Utie. Anomabo, onwane mami krom olusi. Asante mantem olusi. Inti adi akura na beba wanim, ebeba wadjunum se nye be ye ni abro bi na opese wudi ase o kote party bi di abeje Ghana. Oko kan no ma se that is adie no. Oh yeah, ye ba mo bi a Ghana first.